is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Good time, just left, twisted right. You've got me so hypnotized. We both.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's look is just going to be a quick eye look. I'm doing a collab with a group of wonderfully talented individuals on Twitter. And don't have to film it, but I'm going to film it. We're doing a rainbow look. And of course, everybody's not doing the same look, but the same theme, rainbow. So I got this palette. Shout out to my friend who bought it for me. And he bought it for me because I said I wanted it. And he was like, I got you. That's your welcome home present. So this is what I wanted, and I got it, and I'm excited. I found out about this brand, the Makeup Shack, on Twitter, and then from Neon MUA. He's talking about it, and he did a look, and I'm like, ooh, it's pigmented. And it was this palette, so I'm excited to use it. This is their Rainforest palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Clearly, I've used it already. I used it yesterday. But this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be using this palette to create a rainbow look. Why? Because if you look at the colors, you can definitely get a rainbow look out of it. So I'm going to be using this. And I have some inspiration. I found this picture on Google. I don't know who the makeup artist is, but it's a really pretty rainbow look. Right there, hopefully you can see that. And so I'm going to be not the same look, but it's inspired by it, if that makes sense, because ain't nobody got time to put rhinestones and stuff on their face. I mean, she did it, good for her, but not me. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that as my reference. Oh, this phone won't stand up. I'm gonna be using that as my reference, and enough talking. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Korean concealer sample that I got before I left my makeup when he gave it to me. And I'm going to use that to cut my crease once I find my crease cutting brush. I'm just going to use this. This is what I use to cut my crease when I don't want to use my ColourPop concealer. So I'm going to be using this one to cut my crease. And I am not using the Soul palette at all. I'm just using the mirror because it's a good mirror. Now there's a shimmer shade in here that is absolutely beautiful. I used it yesterday. I'm gonna use it again today. And it is, they have no names. It's this one right here. And I used it yesterday, that's why there's some red in there. And I'm going to be taking that and putting that on top of the concealer that I've laid down. Now, because I did everything okay except my lashes, I'm going to do my lashes after I do the lower lash line, which for the lower lash I'm going to do reverse. So I'm going to do the blue, purple, green here, red, orange, yellow there. So now I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes because I can't do it on camera because I need to see. And then I'll come back. And this is the finished look. I'm not keeping this hat on for the pictures, nor am I keeping my hair in pigtails. It's just because my hair has been parted on one side for so long. And I you know, trying to keep it late for a second. But this palette is so pigmented that yellow is everything. I really like this look. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Still have not found the best place to film. However, I like filming in the computer at the moment because all of the computer stuff is in here. So I just bring my laptop in here and I can edit and everything. Like, slightly easier for me at least. But I will try sometime this week to film in the family room and then in the living room and maybe in the kitchen, like the lighting, see how everything works, especially with this ring light, and avoiding my dog knocking stuff down because she really, like, if I go downstairs she's gonna want to play, so I have to try to do it when she's like busy or preoccupied. Anyway, that's it for this look. Like I said, it was just a quick little boom situation. You will see these pictures on Twitter and Instagram. And if you're my friend on Facebook, then on Facebook too. That's it. That's all. Goodbye.